Thinking of visiting Ghana but worried about the visa application processes? Well, there's good news for you. Ghana offers a visa on arrival program for those or certain travelers who do not have visas whilst traveling to Ghana. So, in this video, I will explain in detail how it works, who qualifies for it, and what you need to prepare once you land in Ghana. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel. It's adija.com. Over here I give you detailed information regarding the travel and tour industries, destinations, how to go about your visa application processes, the documents required. So if it's your dream of studying abroad, working abroad, going for pleasure and what have you, then make sure to log down to this channel, as it's going to be very informative regarding the travel and tour industry. So kindly hit the subscription button and let's increase the following and join this community for travelers. And also hit the bell notification button, as you are going to be notified on all the subsequent videos that you will be uploading. So back to the topic for today. So since the launch of the Year of Return and then Beyond the Return initiative, Ghana has become a haven for most travelers visiting the country to explore the beautiful side attractions and embracing the beautiful culture as well also. So in a situation whereby a person appears before an immigration officer and does not have a visa, an emergency entry visa or visa on arrival may be granted to the applicant subject to conditions as prescribed in the regulation and to other conditions that the immigration officer may impose. So economic member states and other countries in Africa are exempted from applying for visas whilst visiting or entering Ghana. So similarly, holders of diplomatic passport or service passport holders are also exempted, and then people who are airside travelers or transit as well, and holders of other official passport of some specialized organization are being exempted from also applying for a Ghanaian passport. So we are going to look at the requirements for which visa on arrival may be given to a traveler who is at the port of entry within the Ghana's jurisdiction. So first of all, the person has to submit an application letter addressed to the Controller General of Immigration of the Ghana Immigration Service in Accra, stating the country of origin where the person is coming from, date of arrival, duration of stay, purpose of visit, travel itinerary, place of lodging, right? So these are the purposes or the letter that the applicant has to prepare, right? And also the person has to attach this document for the business entity category. A person may provide their certificate to commence business, certificate of incorporation, company code, tax clearance certificates, biodata page of host, biodata page of guest or the person who is inviting or the visiting person. Also, the person has to attach a bank statement for personal application, biodata page of host, biodata page of guest or visiting person, flight itinerary, guest hotel reservation. So these are the informations and documents that the person would have to provide at the port of entry or at the airport in order for the person to be granted or given an emergency entry visa or the visa on arrival. So mostly the prices of this service are mostly made known, because it's an emergency service, they are made known at the airport, right? So let's look at the fees and charges for this category of visa. So the emergency entry visa costs $200 and it is being paid at the airport or the port of entry. So I hope you've learned something about how to go about the visa on arrival process once you are at the port of entry or once you land in Ghana. If there's more question or if there's any question that you want us to answer, kindly leave it at the comment section and let's handle that for you. All right, thanks so much for being with us throughout this journey. You've learned about how to go about your visa on arrival processes and the documents required. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification button and get notified on all the subsequent videos that we are going to upload. The channel has been adeja.com. If there's something to add up to improve the quality of this video, please leave it in the comment section and we promise to work on that. See you in our next video. Peace out.